Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials and preparing a safe workspace for cutting. You will need 5-liter plastic bottles, 5 pounds of sand, a funnel, a utility knife, and strong tape. Wear gloves and eye protection while you work on a stable tabletop. Rinse and dry the bottles before cutting to remove residues. Keep a damp cloth nearby to clean any spilled sand quickly and safely. Measure and mark each bottle at 9 inches tall for consistent cone height. Cut along the mark slowly with a utility knife to keep edges smooth and safe. If edges are rough, use fine sandpaper to smooth them for player safety. Fold the cut rim inward by about 1/2 inch and secure it with strong tape to create a rounded top. This creates a cone-like silhouette that resists tearing during drills. Place a funnel into the bottle neck and pour about 1 pound of sand into each cone for stability. Leave roughly 1 inch of headspace before sealing the neck with strong tape or a plastic cap. Test each cone by tapping it. Adjust sand to achieve consistent weight across all cones. Set cones 5 yards apart for common agility drills and adjust spacing to suit drill intensity or age group. Store cones in a shaded container to prevent sun damage between sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.